Good morning. I am Dr. Indrajit Kaur, Associate Professor, Faculty of Judicial Science, Rama University, Kanpur. Today's my topic is human rights. Human rights. Intro. Significance of the UDHR. Although not legally binding, the UDHR has inspired our 60 human rights instrument and has served as a foundation of national constitution and law around the world. UDHR and international human rights law. The UDHR lead to the creations of binding legal treaties such as International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights ICCPR. Together they form the International Bill of Human Rights. Human rights in India. Overview. India was a large traditions of upholding human values. Ancient Indian texts like the Rig Veda, Upanishads and Dharmasas spoke of duties and rights. During the colonial rules, human rights were superior, but the freedom struggle laid the foundation of rights-based governance. Constitutional framework. The Indian Constitution adopted on January 26, 1950 is the supreme law of the land of Indian democracy. It not only provides the basic structure for the functioning of the state but also framework for the protect and promote of human rights, the value in the constitutional justice, liberty and equality. The preamble of the Constitution of India is the sole declaration of the core value of objective that the Constitution sake of the achieve. We the people of India having resolution the constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and the secure to all the citizens. Justice, social, economic and political. Liberty of thought, experience of belief, faith and worship. Equality of status and the opportunity and to the promote among them all. The preamble embodies in spirit of the human rights. Justice, fairness in social, economic and political ensuring and equal societies. Liberty guarantees freedom of thought, belief and experience for the human dignity. Equality, ensure that the individual is discriminations against and that the everyone has equal opportunities. The core of Constitution, human rights. Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution, Article 12 to 35 deal with the fundamental rights. These rights are enforceable by the court and provide a strong legal foundations for the human rights protection. They are the modeled on Bill of Rights of the USA Constitution but also draw inspired from the international human rights instruments. Right to equality, Article 14 to 18. The right to equality ensures that all individuals are treated equal before that law and have equal protection under the law. It included Article 14, equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. Article 15 prohibits discrimination of grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 16, equality of opportunity in matter of public employment. Article 17, untouchabilities. Article 18, titles except and militaries. Second, right to freedom, Article 19 to 22. These articles collectivity from the backbone of civil liberty in India. Article 19 guarantees 6 freedom, speech and experience, assembly and association, movement, residence and professions. Article 20 protection in respect of convention of offense. Article 21 protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A right to education for children aged 6 to 14. Article 22 protection against arrest and detention. The Supreme Court of India has expanded the scope of Article 21 thought progressive judgment. For example, in Monica Gandhi versus Union of India 1978, it was held that the right to life includes the right to live with human dignity. Article against explorer, Article 23 to 24. These articles protect individuals against human trafficking, forces labor and children labor. Article 23 prohibits trafficking in human beings and forces labor. Article 24 prohibits employment of children below 14 years in industries. Right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Article 25 freedom to consent and right to profess, practices and propagate religion. Article 26 freedom to manage religion affairs. Article 27 freedom for the payment of taxes for promotions of any particular religion. Article 28 freedom from religious instructions in certain educational institutions. Cultural and educational rights. Article 29 to 30. Article 29 protection of interests of minorities of concern their culture, language. Article 30 right of minorities to establish and administer education institutions. 6 a right to constitutional remedy. Article 32 often called the heart of soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Article 32 guarantees the right to move the Supreme Court declared for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Okay, thank you.